Alright guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. I'm up here at the barn project and we've done some work on it. It's been raining here the last few days. I couldn't have the camera out. It's still kind of raining now, but I think I can at least show you around. You guys seen all the work I've done over here, sistered the posts and stuff. We tore a few more things down. Probably get the rest of this tore down and, and then get the rest of this clay put in this side. But over here on this side, we've tore this wall out, and this side of the barn is probably worse than the other side. These posts are rotted off completely in the ground, and also this barn is leaning that way by a lot. 4 inches and a foot. So that's how much it's leaning this way. So what I have to do, which I don't know if I'm going to be able to, is I'm going to have to tie off out there and see if I can rack this barn this way. If I can get it 2 inches, it'll help even more. So just a little bit, but I can't do that until I get these posts sistered over here. Every one of these ones over there are rotted. So I got 2 more to do over there, and that side will be done. I'll get that sheeted up, and then we'll come over here and work on this side. But I definitely need to try to get it racked just a little bit. So I'm trying to look for my level, kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. I think it's over here. Yep, there it is. So I'll show you right here on this post. So this post is a 1/2 inch, but I also moved that. Probably shouldn't have. Let's check this one. See how far that is out of level. So there's level, so it's 1 inch. So this side needs racked 1 inch the other direction. So let's look at these posts over here. Let's see how far out of whack they are. Let's go check this one. Some nails everywhere. It's hard to find a good spot. You can see that bubble. I'll take it out. So it's about 1 inch. So if I only need to move it 1 inch then. I said 4 inches, so I'm wrong. So if I can get it racked 1 inch, that'll be better than what it is right now. Hopefully I wasn't blurry, but yeah. So today I'm not going to do any work on it. Like I said, it's raining. I got some boards to clean up out there. I'm going to get that cleaned up. But next time up here, which is tomorrow's Wednesday, I will start running that bottom 2x12. I had to go with 2x12s. That's pretty much the only treated I can get. I wanted to put 2 2x8s, so I had a little more, but 2x12 is what we're getting. That's the only thing I can find in stock. 2x4 material, you can find that all day long. It's the treated stuff that's, for some reason, we don't have any in this area, and I think it's the same way all the way around. But we'll get this side sheeted up, see if I can get it racked. If I can't, then oh well, it is what it is. It's an older barn, so if it's only out 1.5 inches, it is. So, but just got to get it sheeted up and get it stable. So I'm gonna do some cleanup out here, and we'll see what else happens. All right, raining pretty good now. Let's come in here. Whew. All right. Well, yeah, this whole thing right here needs to be jacked up. That's got to go up probably an inch, inch and a half, 2 inches, inch and a half to an inch. So I'll do that when I sister those posts. But this was gonna be a quickie. I just want to kind of show you what was going on up here. And there's definitely gonna be more videos of this place. Got a lot more work up here to do. I'm gonna get shut it in for winter. Now we'll work inside during the winter time, you know. Get everything leveled off, tear down what we need to tear down, and then build our maybe hog pens, maybe cow pens, whatever. But this back part, I don't know if you guys can see, like this original barn stopped right here. And then this here is an addition, and it's got to come down. So once we get this barn stable, I'm gonna rent an excavator and tear that one down. So that'll probably be next summer, but I mean, for now, got to get this all straightened out up here, which is getting there, coming along. I just need the weather to cooperate. We get 3 months of no rain, and then when I want to work on this, it rains. So yeah, go figure. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.